Well, hello guys. So I want to show you today an installation that we made for, let's say, a friend, and he has bought an older Volkswagen transporter. I think it's from 2003, and I want to show you where we installed the heater. And first of all, this car already had a heater, but it was an auxiliary heater for the engine. And I think you can see there the exhaust is still there. We tried to repair the heater, we took it down, but it's such a bad condition that I don't think it's really worth doing. So this is how the heater looks like, and this is not really the problem. The problem is I tried to open it and the screw started to break. Let me show you. Yeah, you can see that screw there, and also the other one is not moving. So the problem is it's not firing up, it's just smoking, and it's emitting such a lot of smoke that people got scared, and they said I tried to repair it, I couldn't. So we left that behind. Anyway, they wanted an air heater because sometimes maybe they will sleep in the car. So this is where we put the controller. Nothing is tied together at this moment, so I just want to show you where the controller is. I didn't find a better place, and it's okay here. It's a little bit hard to see it because it's facing down, but for when starting it and so on, it will be fine here, and don't really need to mess about with it a lot of times. So just when starting and so on. We still have the cable to connect it here, and these are the last things to do, but I said let's do the video because who knows when they will take the car away. We have here the fuses, the batteries here. So we came from the inside with cables, yes, and this is the place I will mount the fuse holder, and these are the two terminals that we will connect to the battery. Yes, and let's go inside. So they choose to put the heater here. We didn't really have a lot of places to choose from because of the configuration. There was another idea here, but we have the gas tank right down, right under the seats, so we cannot put it there. So they said, guys, it will be fine here because they have another row of seats. It will be just under this row of seats here, and those they will remove, and if they want to sleep in it, then yeah, well, they can put a mattress here. So this is where we install the heater. I don't know if you can see it. This is the best light I can get you because my other one just broke before starting this video. So we installed it on a plate because of the profile of the floor. The floor is just wavy everywhere, so there's no way to put a heater directly on this because it will not sit properly, and also it will not seal properly, and exhaust can come inside. So this is where we put the heater. I know there are a lot of plates to buy, but the customer supplied this, supplied this, and this is what we used. I took down these stripes from just under the heater, so under the heater is a flat surface, on the other side it's flat also. So, and also applied some heat resistant silicone under it, so there is no way that smoke can get inside, and also put a little bit of white silicone here, and this is mainly for dirt not to go under the plate, and also this probably will be glued down after finishing. We have here the cables. Like I said, they are not connected. I routed them. We will route them somewhere here. we will fix them, and after this it goes under the rug and goes there to the controller. Let me just show you. So there is the controller, and the cables are routed under the rug, so it will not be a problem for hitting the wires or something like that. So we just have to make the connections. The cable harness is from a boat kit, because we had some harnesses remaining here. I'm not remembering exactly from where, but we had them, so it was free of charge, and this is what we put. The problem is these harnesses come with everything on them, so you cannot push them through holes. You need to cut them or remove the pins and so on, but we choose to cut them because I want to make them shorter anyway, so not really a lot of thing remains under the car, or it will be a little bit neater if everything is cut to the right dimension. Okay, so let me show you under the car, and that's it. Okay guys, so this is under the car. We have the heater mounted here. I also painted a little bit so it will not rust. We made a bigger hole just to come out with everything easily, and then that it's covered by the plate that it's inside. So everything is arranged here. We have the exhaust going to the back of the car, and we have the air intake going to the middle of the car, also pointing black to the rear, and I think this will be fine. We also have the fuel pump, and it's mounted to the right angle. Yeah, a really short line to the heater. We have here the fuel pump, also the electrical connection, and then we have the pipe that is going somewhere in front of this big tank. There was the original fuel pump of the car from the original heater, and we took the fuel from there. So I just cut the pipe that was going into the old fuel pump and connected this black hose to it, and now we have it here. So this is it. It was really simple, and all the time I took care that if the customer would like, I can put the old heater back also, you know. So we'll see, maybe we will repair it. If we will repair it, we will make a video about it, but I'm not really optimistic about that. So guys, this is it. This is how we installed it in a Volkswagen. I think it's T3, anyway, about 2003 construction year. And I know a lot of and even OEMs come with a heater under the car, which works probably great in Western countries, but here we have a lot of dirt on the roads, and also people go into the mountains where the roads are not so good. Maybe they will go into the water and so on, so the heater will get a lot of things on it, and it just makes better sense to be inside. It's better protected, and of course in this case the customer is not bothered about the heater's position because he remains with a lot of space. Okay guys, so this is it. It was just a really short video to show you this. If you have a similar situation, maybe you can do it like this, or you can put it wherever you like. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.